What's up YouTube, it's Goonies here, and I am at my first seminar here at Winter Blast, and the first one is going to be waterfall making. It's a two-part class, and this is class 1, so we're going to learn how to make waterfalls basically, and then I guess towards the end of the show they're going to line them all up and light them all off, which I will get on camera for you guys. So anyways, let's go inside and let's go learn how to make a waterfall. Alright you guys, the first step for waterfall making is making the tube, the base basically, using regular paper, rolling it up either with some glue or some tape, you guys can see here, and then leaving, what was it, about a ½ inch or 3/4 of an inch towards the end, and folding it over like that and taping it up, you guys can see there. Alright, so let's see one more. And then we'll move on to step number 2.
I guess we can let somebody else do this if they want to.
Sure? Yes.
And there's the actual base. So let's move on to the next part, which is going to be filling it up. Okay guys, now we're at the second step. The second step, we're going to put sawdust from the local Home Depot into, we're going to do 2 teaspoons, right? 2 teaspoons into the bottom here. Basically, the reason being is because we want to pack it down with the trusty stick there. So that way when we hang these upside down and drill the bottom, you know, you don't have anything sparking off to set off the waterfall. You want to use the powdered base, the sawdust. That way there's no friction or anything like that. You can just poke it right through with some wire, hang it upside down when you light the waterfall. So let's go ahead and do that one again. Let me hang this one up. Okay, so we're going to put that into the wood holder there. Okay, and then we're going to get 2 teaspoons of... Oh shit, drop that. Alright, let's go ahead. Oh, we're gonna wait for the filter. Never mind.
I guess we're putting all of these separate.
Yeah, stand it up. Alright. Okay, so now we're gonna go, there's 1 in there, and 1 more, 2, and then basically we're gonna compact it down to form the base, that way we can hang it upside down. And I'm gonna show you guys basically what it looks like. You guys can't probably not see that well, but
Oh, this is so awesome.
there we go. Alright you guys, let's move on to step 3, which is going to be basically putting in the waterfall effect in there. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright you guys, now we're on step 3, and this is where we're putting the actual waterfall effect inside the tube to get a better angle. So what we did is we took the tube that we just finished in step 2, yes, and now we're putting the compound that I will, I'm going to see if I can put the pictures on the formulas on how to make it. So you guys can see that the compound is in there. And what we do is we put a little in at a time, you raise up the stick, pack it down. We're going to try to pack it, we want to pack it all the way up until about 3/4 away from the top. That way we can put the fuse in and the remaining powder, the remaining top part, the packing in to hold the fuse. So this takes a little while, but right now we're right about, we're not very in there. We're going to let more of it, yeah, there you go. And we got to go all the way up to the top, to about 3/4 of the way. And then we'll put the fuse in from there. But anyways, I'm just showing you guys, this is the next step. Let's see if we can get some more in there. There we go. There we go. More's falling in now. All right, now we're moving up.
Okay, so we found out. Sorry, I did not think this is the wrong direction. So what I want to do is check and see.
All right, let's go ahead and.
Check to see if we got. We could extend those.
Yeah, we're still going up.
Wrap the paper on the end.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab some more comp.
Yeah. My bad. Is there a short way and a long way on the paper? And I want them the long way.
Put them on the outside.
Okay.
Well, no, we could do that.
So now we're doing
Alright, we're going up more. Let me get some more comp.
Yeah, perfect. And here's, you know what? Just so we can keep that bigger bucket closed, make it a little less. Here you go. If you want to work out the big bucket, work out the big bucket.
How are we looking? How tall are we at? We need 3/4 of it in, so I guess we'll finish that up a little bit. That's right, let me see. Let me put this down. Let's see. Where's the stick at? Okay, wait. Right. Okay, we need a little bit more. Probably about another ½ inch or so, so we might need a little bit more comp in there.
Oh, that would be part of what's for the next workshop.
Sure. Pack it down real tight. That's nice. Alright, let's see where we're at. Oh no, we still got a ways to pack it down some more. Alright, let's put some more comp in there.
I've worked with long enough runs of them. I just feel like you can string those up and then match it. So just to try to untangle them.
Alright, you guys, I'll continue when we're almost to the top. Alright, you guys, now we're done with this one. We'll make a few more. So you guys can see there, it's got about 3/4 on the top to where next is going to be the fuse, the next step, which is over there. And then we're going to put the surrounding around the fuse to hold it in place. So let's go do that next. But again, here, you guys see it's all the way packed through. Nice and solid all the way through. Alright. So again, we're going to make a few more because this that we're going to be doing on Sunday is going to be 100 feet long from one side to the other. So. But anyways, let's move on to the next step, you guys. Alright, you guys, now we're at step 4. And step 4 is putting in the fuse here. So you guys see the fuse here, which is basically, I believe it is quick match. So we're going to go ahead and put the quick match in. We're going to make a J-hook, basically fold it just like that. And we're going to put in the center, and we're going to put another compound, which is different than the actual, the other actual waterfall. Damn, I forgot. So we're going to pack it around like she's doing right now. And then we're going to use, where'd it go? This tube here. See how it has a hole in there? Basically put the fuses in there and pack it down. That way it doesn't mess with the fuse. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a few of these to show you guys.
show me how to put the match tip in it. Should I, one of these?
Hopefully it fits in that hole there.
He did it.
It should, right? Hopefully.
I like it. Kind of long because the
Oh, fill it up to about like there. I've seen where it was.
yeah,
I think we had the fuse maybe the wrong way because the other ones look like fuse coming out straight like that. I think we're supposed to have the J-hook inside out the other way.
Something like that?
yeah, in the center, and then you take the stick with the hole in it, pour out the stick.
There we go.
Yeah, it has to have a hole in it, yeah.
Okay, so you
Does that have a hole in it?
it does.
Okay.
We'll put some more compound around it.
I mean, it doesn't fit
take. Let's see. I might have to take.
Figure out a better technique.
Yeah, I think maybe if we use maybe 1 or 2 instead of as many as he gave us.
Yeah.
Let's try that. Because the way he had it is he had it folded towards like not as
So
much,
maybe
but like
he's doing
more.
like just at the end.
Yeah, but he didn't have it all the way folded. He was just a little bit.
Here, sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got the pro coming in.
Just doing a little thing like that so it stays in.
Is it just a little hook?
Yeah, you don't even have to do much of a hook at all, to be honest with you. And like Kevin was saying, the rammers, they're cute, they work. But doing it sometimes by hand,
Yeah, that's better.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you drop a little bit more comp, but
Oh yeah. And there we go. There's one completed one. Now we're gonna wait till it dries. You guys see it goes over there with the other one. Over there, there's a bunch already made. We need 100 of these to go across. Or I'm sorry, I think it's like either 70 or 100 of them, something like that. But so that's what it looks like completed. Now we're just gonna wait for it to dry, and then we'll go ahead and on Sunday, I believe, is they're gonna string them all up and light them all. So there you guys
It's a little
go.
short, but I think it'll work.
That's what I was just saying. It's probably.
just need to be trimmed.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do one more. We got, yeah, try and keep it towards the middle.
Use your trimmers for a second here.
Have you got a license?
A driver's license.
Good enough.
Oh man, that's funny.
There you go. Thank you.
Yeah, it is. And then instead of that tool, and they'll still hold just as well.
Yeah, no, as long as you pack it by hand like that, you're. I guess if you're
Yeah.
from Arizona, you don't need them.
Sweet. That looks good.
Because it's gonna harden up as it dries.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, there's another one completed. There we go. Alright, you guys, hope you enjoyed that vid.